Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening ScreenFlow and creating a new document. Choose your canvas size and frame rate so exports match your target. Once done, confirm microphone and system audio inputs and select the camera track if you need picture-in-picture. Start a short test recording to verify levels and permissions. This prevents surprises later. Make sure to name and save the project file immediately, because consistent file names make version control and collaboration far easier. You now refine the timeline. Cut out filler, delete dead space, and group related clips on separate tracks for clarity. Once trimmed, add callouts and zooms to highlight precise UI actions. This explains intent visually. Make audio adjustments next. Normalize speech, add background music at a lower level, and duck music during dialogue so your narration stays clear. Finally, use transitions sparingly to maintain flow. Too many effects distract viewers from the core message. You finish by choosing export settings that match your destination. 264 MP4 for streaming or ProRes for high-quality archives. Once exported, verify resolution, bitrate, and file size, and play the file end-to-end to confirm audio sync and visual clarity. Save a project backup and an export copy to a secondary drive. If export fails or stalls, clear ScreenFlow cache, try a different codec, and make sure the app and OS have recent updates. This usually results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.